Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Sometimes with flowers and fruits, if we grow some vegetables, that would be amazing and even awesome if it was organic. The ones who watch our videos already know that we have an organic kitchen garden in our rooftop. And tell me, the chilies price has went up so much. And look at our plant, there are so many chilies. Chilli plant or green chilli plant, also known as mirchi plant in Hindi, is a very common household plant in many parts of the world. Green chilies find use in multiple cuisines around the world and are used extensively to add spicy flavor to the food. And red chilies are sun-dried and ground into powder form to be used as a spice. We have a lot of questions while growing chili plant in our home, like how to start a chili plant and how to plant a chili plant at home, how to grow chili plant from seed, how to take care of a green chili plant. Can you grow chili plant in pot? Why is my chili plant not flowering? Chili plant is flowering but not fruiting. What to do? Chili plant leaves are curling. What to control the disease? What are the diseases of chili plant? And lastly, what is the best fertilizer of chili plant? My mom grew this plant from seeds of red chili in her kitchen. We can grow chili plant from seeds, like just how I said. So just make a mixture of soil with 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. Then just spread the seeds around the soil and cover it with another layer of soil. Then just daily water it, and after 2 weeks you can see that your plant is automatically growing. Now after your chili plant has grown, the most important task is to be able to take care of your chili plant. To be able to care for your chili plant, you must know the natural habitat or conditions in which the plant thrives. These plants like to be located in sunny locations, so I suggest you keep them in a place where it has a lot of sunlight. Also, heavy rainfall leads to root rotting as chilies don't like waterlogged conditions, so they like low moisture and high humidity. The infection of the chili plant mostly comes from the soil, so all the leaves that are touching the soil, make sure to defoliate them or prune them. Also, time to time aerate your soil. Now let me tell about the fertilizer. My mom gives rice water to our chili plant on daily basis. You can give vermicompost as an organic fertilizer for your soil as well. However, you must ensure that the compost must be well rotten and to avoid the chance of contracting any disease. But my mom usually doesn't give vermicompost. Instead, my mom gives kitchen waste compost mixed with eggshell and mixed with banana peel. This fertilizer contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron and other all kinds of micro and macronutrients. It's rainy season and snail is the main problem, so by just spreading some cracked eggshells, it will remove all the snails. Another two great fertilizer is the onion peel fertilizer and the mustard seed fertilizer. Just soak them in water for only one day and apply this water to your plant. Another main problem is the pests. So to remove them, my mom usually gives Bioenzyme and also sometimes neem oil. If you don't know how to make Bioenzyme, it's okay. You can go to our channel and there will be a lot of videos on how to make Bioenzyme. Another one is chili plant is flowering but not fruiting. For this, you must give balanced fertilizer and daily water. I hope this video answered all your questions, but if not, you can always ask in the comment section below. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.